Okay, so today we've got a smart lock that lady can't get into, one of these Yale ones. You see, I've been there already. I tried my mic, didn't work, so I've got a suspicion the snip might be on. So I'm just going to have a little peek through the letterbox and have a look and see what's in there. Let's turn it on. Done. Go through there. Where is it? Oh, looks like Yale number 1. That is a Yale number 1, I do believe. So that's going to be interesting. Alright, let's have a look. So I'm wondering whether the battery's a bit low in the unit, which is why it won't open. Yeah, handle. Come on. The wall, the lock on the handle. Tell you what, we're going to get a bit of tape. Tape it onto the. I said about tape the camera on, but if I remember, I'll put this. I wonder if that'll hold the camera. Oh, it will do. Okay, we can go with that. Let's see how this goes. Never used this before. Make sure I don't get on the side camera. Right. Let's see what it's like. Okay. Works. Yeah. tight. That's it. Done. Yeah, the camera does come in quite handy. That's for sure. Another good thing about this one, it's got a that's it. Sorry, there, torch. Right. So that is that open. State of that. Let's find out why it's not working. Guess what? Changed it out.